Alright, now we look at example 2. Okay, let's say we want to integrate 16x squared over 2x minus 1 bracket squared dx. Alright, when we need to use long division. Okay, let's say we have this rational function. We have 16x squared over 2x minus 1 bracket squared. Okay, the numerator has degree 2. Okay, and the denominator also has degree 2, right? This is improper fraction because the degree of the top is greater than or equal to the degree of the bottom. In this case, the degree of the top is equal to the degree of the bottom. So, this is called improper fraction. Okay? And if we have improper fraction, before we integrate, we need to use long division, right? Alright, from the rational function 16x squared over 2x minus 1 bracket squared, first, we need to expand the denominators, okay? Alright, so after we expand, so we have 16x squared over 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. Okay, before we do long division, we need to expand the factors, right? And then we need to arrange the indices in descending order, right? So from rational function 16x squared over 2x minus 1 bracket squared, by doing long division, 16x squared we must put inside division sign, okay? And then 2x minus 1 bracket squared, after we expand, we get 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. And we must put outside the division sign, okay? We need to use a 0 to fill in the missing term, okay? Since we have 16x squared only in numerator, so we need to write 16x squared plus 0x plus 0. Okay, we use a 0 to fill the missing term. Okay, and we arrange the indices in descending order. First, x squared, and then x to the power of 1, and then constant only. Okay, since there is no constant here, so we put plus 0. Alright? And after that, we need to divide 16x squared over 4x squared. Okay, from here, 16x squared over 4x squared equals to 4. Okay, then we put here. Okay, we put 4 here. Okay, since 4 is a constant, so we put on the top of the constant 0. Okay, to avoid error and easy to divide. Okay, and after that, we need to multiply the divisor by 4 here. We multiply 1 by 1. Okay, we multiply 4x squared and 4 here. And then we put here. Okay, 4x squared times 4 equals to 16x squared. And then minus 4x times 4 equals to negative 16x. And positive 1 times 4 equals to positive 4. Right? And after that, we subtract. Okay? We must put bracket to avoid error. Okay? Alright, so now we have 16x squared minus 16x squared. And then 0x minus minus means plus 16x. So that's why we must put bracket to avoid error. Okay? And then 0 minus plus, so we get 0 minus 4. So the answer equals to 16x squared minus 16x squared equals to 0. No need to write. 0 minus minus 16x equals to positive 16x. And then 0 minus positive 4 equals to negative 4. Okay. And after that, we check the degree of the last row here. Okay. Now we have degree 1. Okay. And the divisor has degree 2. Okay. We stop division when the degree of remainder less than the degree of divisor. Okay. So now the degree of remainder equals to 1. And the degree of divisor equals to 2. So we can stop the division. Because the degree of remainder less than the degree of divisor. Right? And this is called remainder. Okay? This is called divisor. 4 here is called quotient. Okay? And the numerator here is called dividend. Okay? The denominator is called divisor. Right? So after we finish doing long division, we need to write 16x squared over 2x minus 1 bracket squared, which is the given rational function, equals to quotient plus remainder over divisor. Right? So we can write 16x squared over 2x minus 1 bracket squared equals to our quotient equals to 4 and then plus our remainder equals to 16x minus 4 and our divisor equals to 2x minus 1 bracket squared. Right? From here, now we have numerator in degree 1, okay, and denominator in degree 2, right? So now this is called proper fraction because the degree of the top is less than the degree of the bottom. So after we get proper fraction, so from here we can express into the sum of partial fraction before we integrate. Right? Coming up next, more examples for long division of polynomials. If you like this video, you can subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye. Assalamualaikum.